think there's a lot of positive spillover benefits when you're not only designing, but also manufacturing, creating, deploying, and implementing the technology in the state. I think when I think back to previous eras, whether the space age or California's previous eras of being a manufacturing hub of the country, the fact that I know your site is near the former Skunk Works site, right? Southern California is not only where they designed the SR-71 Blackbird, but also manufactured, tested it, and you created a lot of I think that spills over into the culture and the identity of the place when it's not just the high-paid designers, but it's also the people who are
Yeah.
helping create the technology.
Lockheed plant was just here. They built tens of thousands of aircraft there, including the first C-130s. All the Skunk Works planes. Obviously, the space shuttle was largely built in Los Angeles via a whole bunch of different contractors that live here. Boeing had a plant here. Douglas was based here for many, many years. Everything up to the DC, and I think it was made at Santa Monica Airport. And McDonnell obviously had a huge plant here as well. Just numerous aerospace companies historically and still here. Hughes was here, for example. And SpaceX is here now. Anduril is here. Atlas boosters, which were the first orbital rockets that United States used to fly people into orbit, were built in San Diego, for example. Also, in the 1960s, they built these pressure stabilized stainless steel single stage to orbit rocket, right? Something that we haven't really equaled ever since. Yeah, I think people forget. I mean, in San Francisco, I don't want to leave you out. Like San Francisco also, it's like birthplace of Silicon Valley. It was not software originally; it was hardware. That's where they used to make chips before they made them in Taiwan, and the Richmond shipyards, amongst others, where they produced thousands of ships, some of them in just a few days for the Second World War. Major manufacturing center.